So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make text glow in a video here on InShot. So here's my video right here to add some text. Just press on text right here, then press on text again. And how about I type in the word glow, just like that. I'll make it so that if I were to go to the opacity right here, I'll make it the most I can do. In regards to shadow, I'll get rid of the shadow. And in regards to text color right here, how about I make it, I don't know, orange. So there's my text right here. If you want to add some glow to it, just go ahead here. So if you're on this page, just press on text again, and then, press on the text right here, then type or press on the pencil in the top right, then press on the color wheel. Where it says glow, press on glow. Now you can go ahead and select what type of glow you want to add. You can also go ahead and type in or select the glow color. So you can make it more or less, whatever the case may be. So if you wanted to make it more, you can go ahead and do that. There's your glow. So if I were to play the video right here, there's my text with the wonderful glow. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can make text glow in a video on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.